Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you all?
Good morning. I'm fine,
Fine.
thank you. How are you, ma'am?
Okay, I'm
How are
fine.
you,
Children.
ma'am?
So, children, we are going to finish the chapter 3.2, compare and order numbers. Can you please, all of you, please take out page number 25, question number 21. Page number 25, question number 21. Okay. See, we have completed till question number 20. Yes, children? All of you.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
If anyone has not completed, please check the group. I have sent the notes. All of you, please take page number 25, question number 21. Page 25, see question number 21. Okay. Who can read that louder, clearly?
Daros.
Okay, Daros, read clearly, louder.
I am a 5-digit number.
Okay, see,
My
children, here this is like a puzzle, but you have to listen carefully. We are going to do a puzzle. Like, okay, so children, I will write those not can look at the board. Okay, I am a 5-digit number. Okay, then
My hundreds digit is 2 times.
my hundreds digit. My hundreds digit
Is 2 times.
is 2 times my
Tens digit is my
2 times my tens digit. My tens digit. Okay. Then
tens
and
digit is 3
my
times.
tens digit is
3 times.
my tens digit is 3 times my ones digit. 3 times
My ones digit.
my ones digit. Okay.
My 10,000 digits.
Children, this no need to write the question. We are going to find out the number. We got many clues. So what you have to do? Listen carefully. Page number 25, question number 21. Anna Grace is also, some children is not having workbook. I'm writing the question on the board. So children, no need to write. What you have to do? Be with the book. Question number 21.
Ma'am,
Ones digit, yes.
my book got delivered from India.
Okay, okay. So my okay, continue. There was my 10.
My 10,000 digit is
My
thrice.
10,000s. My 10,000s digit is
Thrice.
thrice. Thrice means what, children? 3 times. Okay, thrice my tens digit. Okay.
If my thousands digit
If
is
my 1,000 digit is
2 more than my hundred
if my thousands
digit is 2
2
more
more than
my hundreds digit and my ones digit is
my 100.
Write this.
No need to write. Look at the question number. Okay, I'm writing only the question to find out the answer. Okay, digit.
And my ones
And my ones digit is 1. This is the first clue we have to start with. Yes, my ones digit is 1 and my ones digit is 1.
who am I?
Who am I? See, children, can I give you 2 minutes? Let me see.
Yes.
All of you. This is like a puzzle. Then you can't see how we can find out the number.
Ma'am, I am feeling this question as a game.
You're feeling this as a game?
Yes.
Okay, that's what I have written here. We are going to find out the answer. See, children, all the children, how we can start? You know, my hundredth digit is 2 times my tens digit and my tens digit is 3 times, but I don't know from where I can start with. So I will give you clue. So children, what you have to do here? My ones digit is 1. My ones
Ma'am.
digit is 1.
We
So you
should
can
write the place
see,
value
children.
chart.
Yes, there was.
We should write the place value chart to find this.
Small place value chart. If you draw, it will be very helpful for you. Okay, so what you have to do? I think you have only 1 or 2 lines. So children, you can draw one small place value chart. Okay, ones, then we have tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. So we will start with the ones digit is 1. Okay, children, I will give you 2 minutes.
Ma'am, we should find it.
Ma'am, we want to write this.
Children, question number 21, the question no need to write. It is there already in your page number 25. You can see question number 21. You have to draw this place value chart and try to find the number. Okay. After 2 minutes, we will discuss. Let me see who can find out. This is like a game. Yes, children.
My hundreds.
Okay.
Can you give 1 minute?
The question is there in your book. All of you. Page number 25, question number 21. Then I have given you one clue. Draw the place value chart. And the first clue is that one's digit is 1. Now, let me see who can find out the answer.
Ma'am, what is this?
Yes.
Ma'am, what is?
Okay. Now, children, please see. We don't know tens digit. So we will look in the question. I am a 5-digit number. My hundreds digit is 2 times my tens digit, but I don't know tens digit. And my tens digit is 3 times my ones digit. 3 times my ones digit. But we know what is 1. So 3 times 1. What is 3 times 1? 3. Yes, 3. We got tens place also. So tens place also we got. Now, read the question again. My hundreds digit is 2 times my tens digit. What is my tens digit? 3. What about my 100 digit? It is 2 times my tens digit. Yes. So we got now 3 digits. Yes. Okay. Now we have to find out 10,000 and 1,000 only. So look here. If my 10,000, if my thousands digit is 2 more than my hundreds. 2 more than means what, children? 2 more than 100. So 100 digit is 6. 2 more than means what?
2 times.
2 more. It's
Ma'am, 8.
yes. 2 more than. So what is the number? 8. Now 10,000. Find out from the question and do alone. We can see here 10,000.
My dyslexia is correct.
3 thrice. It is thrice my tens digit. Thrice. That means 3 times my tens digit.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Yes. What is the first number? Who can give me 10,000 please? 10,000 please. What is the number? Who got the answer? Can you raise your hand?
6.
Ah.
Ma'am, 6.
You added 3. Thrice means, is there any other answer, Agna? What is your answer?
What's the meaning of thrice?
Thrice, I said, that is 3 times. 3 times. Who got that? 9. Very good. Who got that answer?
Ma'am, I got the same
Yes.
answer.
So, children, here we had to find out. Here, my 10,000th digit is thrice. That means 3 times tens. What is tens place? 3. 3 times 3. What is 3 times 3?
9.
9. So, what is my 5-digit number?
98,600.
Yes, 98,631. So, children, you can write the required number is. You can write the required number is. This is the number we have to find out. So, children, like this question, first we have to read the question carefully. And what are the clues given here? It is like a game. So, we should start with the ones digit because we know ones digit is 1. Then we have to see the relation between tens digit and ones place. So, 10 digit is 3 times my ones digit. That is 3 times 1. It is 3. Now, what is the relation between hundreds place and tens digit? It is my 100 digit is 2 times my tens digit. So 3 times 2, that is 6. Now we have to find out thousands place. So where is thousands place here? 1000 digit is 2 more than my 100. So 100 digit is 6. 2 more than, that is 6 plus 2. What is that? 8. So the last and final number that we have to find out, that is 10,000. So 10,000 digit, that is 3 times tens place. That means 3 times 3, it's 9. All of you got the answer, children?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am,
So
I
you
got
have to just write the required number is, then write the number. Okay. Why it is not compulsory that you should draw the place value, because it will be easy for you to write the numbers without any mistakes, because you can see which is a 100 place, which is a tens place. Okay, children? All of you got the answer?
Yes.
Yes, Andrea?
Yes,
Yes. Okay. Now the last question, number 22. Andrea, can you read?
Okay, ma'am. Find the difference between the greatest and the smallest 5-digit number formed using the given digit.
Okay. So, children, like we had to find out the smallest and largest. 4, 7, 6, 5, and 0. 6, 5, and 0. These are the digits. So, children, first find greater number. I will write the steps. You can complete greater number that can be formed using these 5 digits. Greater number. Then next step, smallest number. Smallest number.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
In the textbook, the 22nd question is like that some inks are very dark and some ink is very light in color.
Who's only Angeline's book, or what about other children?
No,
Can you see the book question is clearly it is written?
Yes.
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 Okay. See, if you have any doubt, I have writing all the numbers here on the board. Okay, Angeline. You can see from the board. I'm writing all the numbers on the board. Smallest number. Then
Ma'am, I wrote the smallest number and the greatest number.
okay. Now you have to find out the difference also. All the children, please wait. Don't say the answers faster. I want all of you to try alone.
Ma'am, what's the answer of 21st question?
Look at the board. The required number is this: 98,631. 98,630. Okay. Now, Irene, give me the greatest number.
Ma'am, this is plus or minus?
Difference means what? Who is asking? Difference.
Minus.
Yes, Andrea, tell me if difference means what you have to find out.
Minus.
Yes, yes, we have done like this question, no? Children, I think question number 19, we have done the same like this. You had to find out the greatest number, you had to find out the smallest number, then you had to find the difference. Okay, Irene, yes? Which number we have to start with to find the greater?
7.
Yes, very good. 7. We have written 7. Yes. Irene, which is the next? 6. Okay, 6 is also over
5.
5. Then 4. 0. Okay. Then smallest number. Naila.
4.
Yes, 4. See, children, we cannot write 0 in the beginning because when we write 0, it will not be a 5-digit number and there is no value for 0 if we are writing in the beginning. So we will start from the next smallest number that is given here. That is 4. Then
0.
very good. 0.
5.
4, 0, 5.
6, 7.
6, 7. Okay. Now find out the difference, children. 76. 1540 minus.
We can take the rough book.
You can write in the rough book. 76,540 minus 40,567. Mute your device, all of you.
Ma'am, I cannot see the screen.
Who cannot see the screen?
Answer. Andrea.
Check again. I will stop share and I will share it again.
Ma'am, I
Please
got
check. Maybe because of the
Sorry,
network.
mistake.
Okay. Children, have you completed?
Yes.
No, ma'am.
Do
Can I
it.
say the answer?
Those who finish, please wait. Some videos are off again. Please, children, please check. Yes, children. How many of you got the answer?
Yes.
Yes, yes. Okay, Shravan, what is your answer?
5,973.
What about Agna?
Ma'am,
Ah,
35,973.
okay. Is there any other answer, children, here? Is there anybody?
No.
Darwas, what is your answer?
35,973.
973. Okay, so children, the answer is correct. We can see here. Okay, here we will start. 10 minus 7. What is 10 minus 7? Yes. 10 minus 7 is 3. So here we have to borrow again here. 13 minus 6. 13 minus 6. 7. Again 4 we cannot subtract. So again we had to borrow here. 14 minus 5. 14 minus 5.
9.
9. Now, children, you can see here 5 minus 0 is 5. Then 7 minus 4 is 3. So our answer is correct. 35,000 35,973. Children, please check whether you got this answer. Many children got the correct answer. Now all of you, please check. 35,970.
Ma'am, I got the correct answer.
Correct answer. 5,
Ma'am, I got it.
4, 0 minus. Okay. Now children, do question number B alone now. Question number B.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can you write the number?
I think you have the book. Yes. Okay, I will write the number here. Question number B. You have to form the greatest number, smallest number, and find out the difference using the digits 2, 3, 1, 7, and 4. 1, 7, and 4. Find out the greatest number, find out the smallest number, and find out the difference. Greatest number. That can be formed using these 5 digits. Then you have to write down smallest number. Then find out the difference.
3, 2, 1. Smallest number, 1, 2, 3.
Okay, Siddharth, can you give me the greatest number that can be formed using these 5 digits? Yes, Siddharth, unmute and speak.
Yes, ma'am.
Greatest number. Which number we will write first?
7,000.
7. Okay, just write as tell me as digit 7. Then
7, 3.
check again. Is there any more other big number?
7, 4, 3, 2,
Yes,
1.
7. After that, we have the next greatest number, that is 4. Okay, then
3,
3,
2,
2, and the last one is 1. Okay, children, all of you, please check whether you got the answer. So, how to read this number, Siddharth?
74,321.
Okay, 74,321. Okay, Angeline, can you give me the smallest number? Smallest number that can be formed using these digits. Unmute and speak.
1,
Which number we had to write first? Yes, 1, the smallest number. Then
2,
2,
3,
3,
4.
4, 7. Okay, children, now find out the difference. Don't say the answers faster. All the children has to do now alone.
Okay. Ma'am, I got the answer.
Yes. Those who finish, please wait.
Ma'am, can you say the
Okay, how
answer?
many? No, how many got the answer, children? We'll wait one more minute. Children, you have to see if the number on the top is small, what you have to do, you have to regroup, or we can say that borrow, then find out the answer. We cannot subtract 7 from 1. So what you have to do, go and regroup, or we can say that's borrow. And Leah, Daros, Ravan. Then how many children completed? Agna. Then yes, Anlia, what is your answer? Anlia?
61,974.
Okay. What's the answer, Ravan?
Same answer.
Tell me the number.
61,974.
Okay, 61,974. Agna, what is your answer?
61,974.
Okay, Daros?
61,974.
Okay, Anna Grace?
61,974.
Okay, 61,974. So children, here we can start again. Here it is 11 minus 4, 7. The answer is 4. We have to do again. Here it is 11 minus 4. That is 7 again. Again, here we had to regroup. 12 minus 3 is 9. 3 minus 2 is 1. 7 minus 1 is 6. The answer is 61974. 61974. How to read the number name, children? What is the answer? 60?
1,974.
61,974. I hope now everyone completed till question number 22. Yes, children? All of you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. So chapter 3 numbers, what we have studied. Chapter 3.1, count by 10,000. Count by 10,000, what we learned. Number name, then place value, face value, and expanded form. Then in this chapter 3.2, what we have learned? Compare and order numbers. Compare and order means which is the smallest, which is the greatest, and arrange them in ascending order. Ascending means what? Smallest to greatest. And we have studied descending order. What is descending order? Arrange the numbers from
Bigger to smaller.
bigger to smaller, where we can say greatest to smallest. Okay, children, is there any doubt? And I have sent the notes till, I think, question number 20. Now, I will send today 21 and 22. If any doubts, children, you can ask me now. Yes?
No, ma'am.
No. All of them completed now. What's the answer? All of you got the answer? Anay, did you get the answer? Question number 22, difference. What's the answer?
Ma'am. 64974.
61,974. So I hope all of you have completed. No doubts. Yes? So children, we'll take the attendance now.
Okay.
Complete all the notes, what we have done for chapter 3 numbers, both in notebook and math workbook. Okay, children? I hope all of you have completed now. Then happy holidays, happy Onam.
Happy Onam.
Okay, so enjoy well, but stay at home. Be safe. Okay, children?
Okay.
If you have any doubt, you can ask me now from chapter 3 numbers.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, in the class.
Happy on, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay, thank you. Children? Okay, in the next class, we will start chapter 4, addition. Okay, chapter 4, addition. So let's wind up the class now. Yes, children? Bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Thank
Nice
you,
day.
ma'am.
Bye. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.